Begins with Kyle Cruce Baker, the KCB, as he celebrates his big third birthday right there. It looks like we already broke out the toys. I love it. Kyle wants you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo. He's in the Berg.
All right, Caleb Mitchell also celebrating birthday number 3. Looks like he might be out at a playground too. Caleb is in New York City.
Avalyn Loftis, I'm going to do Avalyn. She is at Webster Elementary in the city of Flags as well. And she is getting ready to celebrate number 7 today. Avalyn, a very happy birthday to you. And I want you to know this comes with love from Mommy, Daddy, and Sissy.
All right, well, if we had 2 3-year-olds, why not have 2 7-year-olds on our list today? Elizabeth Heflin also turning 7 strong. She's a proud Wildcat there in Oswego.
That's a cool sign right there. I love that. Student of the Month. Congratulations, Elizabeth. This cool name right here. I'll tell you what, when your name is Ace Alloway, first of all, I guess I gotta give Mom and Dad credit, right? Because
That is a great name. Ace Alloway is celebrating his 9th birthday. Thank you, incomparable producer Caden Milner. As he turns number 9, we will celebrate him in Parsons. And kiddo, I want you to walk around for the rest of your life knowing how cool that name is. That is great.
Emma Jean Bradford celebrating. Look at that smile there. I love that picture. Emma Jean is 9 years old. She's in Iola, Kansas.
Kreed Franklin now double digits. Congratulations to you, Mr. Kreed. He celebrates his 10th birthday in
Gerard, and may I?
Sure.
Yeah, you know I love him. All right, here we go. Ellie is now 12. This is amazing to me. Bloom family. Absolutely great people. Ellie, I remember you when you were knee-high to a grasshopper. Tanya likes to make fun of me for my old man sayings. There you go. Ellie, congratulations on your 12th birthday. Tell your mom and dad, Slip says what's up. She celebrates in the knack.
All right. And we head down to McDonald County to celebrate Makenzie Horton's 14th birthday. Makenzie is from Rocky Comfort.
I want to point out something about the note that we were given here on our birthday list, and I want Makenzie to know that Makenzie, it was pointed out to us that Rocky Comfort is it specifically says, I'm going to read you from my list. Rocky Comfort is in the northeastern part of McDonald County. Makenzie, a happy birthday to you, kiddo. We know where Rocky Comfort is. You're right off 76. We've all been down there. Yeah. So for anybody that doesn't know where Makenzie is, it's beautiful down there. Look at that scenery behind that picture. Happy birthday, Makenzie.
All right. Logan Wilson, turning 24 years old today in Erie, Kansas. Happy birthday, Logan.
And one above that, number 25 for Leslie Smith. Leslie, a very happy birthday to you. She's in Chanute.
Samantha Swanwick turning the big 3-0 this year. Looking great there, Samantha. Definitely not a day over 29.
Angela Meledeo-Bomar, the big 4-0. Happy birthday to Angela. This comes from birthday wishes from your mother-in-law. Now, mom-in-law is in Neosho, and Angela, she is in Pryor.
All right, Nathan Akey turning 42 years old this year. Happy birthday to Nathan in Neosho.
You want to say it with me? Who that is?
Oh, wow.
What's up, my man? Tyler
It's at
Harrell.
that time of year already.
Right, celebrating his 42nd birthday right there. Tyler, a very, very happy birthday to you. You can tell he was he was in a gymnasium right there, running around with the kiddos. Somebody's like, here, we got to snap a picture of you,
because he's always on the run.
I want to know Tyler's trick, though, because I think each year he looks younger, not older. So I want to know what you do, Tyler.
We will
What's
now
your magic?
call Tyler. We have just now renamed you Benjamin Button. So
There you go.
congratulations for that.
Numbers may be going up, but
It's a curious case.
you're getting younger.
That's all I'll say. Tim Crain, a happy 59th birthday. Whoa! Wow.
That's what I got for that one. Just WOW. That's amazing.
There's got to be a story with that. Where was that at? I want to know.
Tim, we want to know the backstory about this. That's a great picture. Anyway, Tim is in Columbus celebrating his 59th birthday, and hopefully we will find out the backstory of the picture. That's amazing.
Look at the rack on that thing. Wow. Okay, we want to know more, Tim. Please enlighten us. All right, in front neck, turning double sixes, Kathleen Stroud. Happy birthday.
You know those, like the huge, it's bigger than an RV. Here, go ahead and flip. Happy birthday, Kathleen. Can you flip it? Can we flip I got a quick story here. No, just can we flip the next picture? Okay, you know the ones the mobile mammography units?
Yeah.
You know the size of those? Mm-hmm. This woman right here taught me how to drive one.
Oh, wow.
Yes, this is no joke. Her name is Donna Gillard. She's an absolutely marvelous healthcare professional. And I'm white-knuckled, and she's laughing at me because she drove these all over the state to take care of mammography needs. That's awesome. Yeah, and that's how much she means to everybody. Donna, you know I love you. A very happy birthday in Gerard.
Dennis and Renee James are celebrating an anniversary this year. That's a wonderful picture of the James. Congratulations.
Everybody out at Medical Lodges, practice that social distancing, but make sure that you wish Kathy Ulrich a very, very happy birthday. And a happy birthday to you, Kathy. Kevin Gardner, he's celebrating his 57th birthday. Mr. Kevin is in commerce. And the good doctor, Curtis Gregory. Happy birthday, Doc, in Columbus. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.